We're out here at Bridge and Road, which was delivered with the contractor Laing O'Rourke. The scope out here was to duplicate Bridge and Road, increasing capacity and improving travel times. We've built a whole new structure, which is a 4-lane bridge over Plenty River, and upgraded the existing heritage bridge to a shared walking and cycling path. Some of the benefits for safety is we've upgraded a number of key intersections. With those, some of them have gone from a non-signalised to signalised intersection, improving safety for both pedestrians and public drivers. We've also installed safety barriers along the alignment, increased the public lighting. Another aspect of the project is where we've installed shared user paths on either side of Bridge and Road, improving the connectivity between Mernda Town Centre and Mernda Station and helping people to get to where they want safer.
So I'm standing here on the historic Bluestone Bridge. We've repurposed it as part of the project into a shared walking and cycling path. The actual piers is heritage listed. As part of the project, we had to protect the piers, and that was done through planning and design and construction. Along with repurposing the existing bridge, we built a brand new bridge with 2 lanes in each direction right next to it, and it's built over the Plenty River. As part of the project, we had to protect the Plenty River water bodies, and we had to make sure that through construction, the water body is not impacted by any of our works.
Some of the benefits of the PDA model are design changes throughout the delivery phase. Bitumen foam stabilisation has allowed sustainable outcomes, those being less truck movements on roads due to reduced import of material, and also the reuse of the remnant pavement material. As part of the PDA model, we engage with the community at every stage of the project. Some initiatives that we have taken place on this project is with local schools and early learning centres. So on some occasions we've arranged for plant and equipment and project staff to go down to these early learning centres and schools and provide them with an update on project and also share what it's like to work in the construction industry.
Thanks everyone for your patience while we upgraded the road. If you would like to hear more about the project or other MRPV projects, please visit the Big Bill website. Thanks everyone for watching.